Today on Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review, I'm going to be making something called Moink balls. I've done these one other time, but I did them for another channel when I did a collaboration, and I sent that video over to another channel, so I've never actually have done Moink balls for my channel. So basically all a Moink ball is you take a meatball, a beef ball, and you wrap it in bacon, you cook it, put barbecue sauce on it, and there you go. Sounds pretty simple. But I'm going to be doing everything pretty much by scratch, shredding the cheese, going to be grinding up the meat, chopping up everything. So this is going to be a succulent, wonderful, and beautiful meatball covered in bacon. In fact, I already had one. I'm filming this at the end. So anyhow, like, subscribe, let's watch the video. Alright y'all, so for Moink balls, what I got was, I picked up a 5-pound brisket. I'm going to grind up all this, but I'm only going to use about half of it, about 2 pounds of it. If y'all don't have a meat grinder, I highly suggest getting one. Because when you grind your own meat, you know what's going into that meatball. But when you get pre-packaged and ground up ground beef from the store, you don't know how many different animals might have made up, or how many different cows might have made up that one batch of ground beef. If you can get one, get your own meat and grind up your own meat. And plus, what I like about the brisket flats is it already has like the fat on here. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this meat cut up, and we're gonna get it ground up. So while I wait for these Moink balls to cook, what I also did is I got some ribs on here, and I'm about to. I also want to test out the flame boss again. What I did was I kind of changed how I did things. I put the barbecue dragon grill stone because I want to see if I could solve this whole temperature fluctuation. There you go. So far I have it at 250, and it is keep in line with the temperature. And I have 2 slabs of ribs, and I also have a little aluminum foil packet of just like the trimmings off of the ribs. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to maneuver those ribs around right now. All right, time to switch these ribs around. All right, so this is a little aluminum foil packet of the trimmings right here. I just threw everything inside there, put a little bit of butter right there. Looks pretty good. And there's also the end of the ribs. I kind of squared the ribs off. There we go. And then also right here, if you can see, right here around the sides, took aluminum foil and I stopped off the sides where the slits are. So there we go. That's what it looks like. All right, back to the Moink balls. All right, y'all, so I got the Inkbird hooked up. Let's see how these things look. It's been about a half hour. All right, looking pretty nice. Gonna go ahead and hit it up with a little bit of It's Incredible from Heaven Made Products. There we go. I'm gonna crank this up to about 350 so the bacon will crisp up. Get about 20 more minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's coat these suckers with some, oh, they're coming out looking good now. So got keto barbecue sauce I made. I will link that video. Pretty much these are gonna be done. I'm gonna finish doing the rest of these. I'll be back. There you go, Moink balls. Let's give these things a try. The bacon didn't crisp up as much as I wanted it to, but they're still gonna be delicious. Oh my God. Still piping hot. You know what? Scratch that. Bacon is perfect. The bacon's bite through is really good. It's not gonna be like, you know, it's not gonna be as crispy as if you fried it in a pan or something, but it's still crispy. That barbecue sauce is extremely good. Wow, this is little bits of shallots in there. Now this is a keto recipe. Y'all give this a try. Man, this is good. Hey look, if y'all like what I'm doing over here, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share the video. I'll see y'all next week. Ciao.